Hi everyone, we are Pinscreen. We will present a new technology based on deep learning, which creates photorealistic 3D avatars from a single input image. To make it more challenging, everything will happen on a mobile phone. We believe that our technology will revolutionize immersive chat using avatars, personalized gaming, or AR experiences. You will experience scalable and lightweight avatar creation technology just in your pocket.
Okay, so let me show you how it works. So all you need is a single selfie. So I take a picture. And then we can upload a photograph to the server. And thanks to the SoftBank, we can do this real-time avatar building. So now the server is computing the 3D face, doing the retargeting, computing a 3D hair, synthesizing the facial expression textures, including the eye gaze and mouth interior. Now, after all the computation is done, we can download the graphics assets back onto the phone, and let's see if we can get an avatar here. All right, looks pretty good. I think it has almost exactly the same hair and face as mine. So you got 3D hair, 3D face, and it can dance as well. So let's take a closer look at the face. So we can do many things with our avatar. For example, we can go swipe up to the head mode. We can track the face. We can animate the avatar using your own facial expressions. As you can notice that we really don't have like eyes or teeth models, and everything is image-based and synthesized from a deep generative model. Look at the wrinkles, an eye gaze, and mouth interior. So everything is created from the picture I just uploaded. So imagine that if we have this inside a game, I could easily spend an entire day playing with it. So key component to bring the avatar to life is a facial performance capture, and we have our own solution which works entirely with RGB signal without the depth sensor. Now Shinsuke, do you want to give a quick demo?
All right. So I'm going to present our special demo app that shows how our face tracker works. You can just download it from the App Store as well. As you can see, I don't have an iPhone X, but an old iPhone 7. It's just using RGB camera and tracks my face in real time. As opposed to other landmark-based face trackers, ours use a deep neural network to infer dense 3D face mesh of the person. It's similar to Apple's ARKit, but we don't need a depth sensor, and it works on any iPhones as well as Android devices. Here's a cool visualization that allow you to check out the tracked mesh as well as the input sequence at the same time. I can switch to the backside camera without calibration. It has eye gaze and everything else. It's very robust. So Koki, what else can we do with the Pinscreen app?
We can tap to interact and make it do funny dance. We also have a variety of body presets, so you can customize your body. You can even have a different clothing, nice and shiny. You can be even chubbier if you want, or slimmer. You can even be a woman if you want. We also have different clothing options for women. This is some more casual ones. This has some nice dress. Let's take a closer look. I think it's got a pretty nice material on it. But I think I like this one. Do you like it? We can even customize our head. Let me show you. It's pretty funny, yeah? So we have a team of digital artists who create all these 3D assets. So everything here is rendered in Unity's physically based material. For example, for this alpha and metal on the helmet, or some clothing on the poop hat, or some velvety textile on the witch hat. Let's see what else we got. I think I like this one. So now if I want to share this avatar with, let's say, friends on Instagram, I can go to the portrait mode. Let's see, then I can pick up a cool background here. I think I like this one. Looks like a 3D photograph, right? So let's see, I want to get some cool shades. Let's see what we got. I think I like this one. So let's do some AR. Can go to AR mode, and now I can replace my head with the CG one. I can even replace my entire body using this one. And of course, you can make it to interact. And now, following the camera nicely, so we can take a selfie with the audience. And again, you can immediately share this with, for example, friends on Facebook. We have a share feature here. So what if I want to be completely immersed into a CG world? So we have several interesting virtual environments. So let me pick my favorite place, the ramen bar. And let's see who is there. Okay. Oh. Looks like a meeting with a big leaders. So let me pick our favorite leader here, Abe Sori. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Oh, hello. Is this a little rocket man?
Hello.
Where are you hiding, buddy?
Hello, how are you? Your orange face. Good to see you. I'm here in Santa Monica trying to get a nice tan like you. By the way, how does this thing even work?
So we have an IMU sensor and face tracking to orient and position the head to make this virtual selfie technology possible. Hey Trump, where can I do this app?
Just download the Pinscreen app from the App Store. I love it so much. I'm gonna use this instead of Twitter from now on.
Thank you.